Hello and happy holidays. On behalf of the Uyghur and other people of East Turkestan, we would like to wish all of the Christians and Jewish people across the world a Merry Christmas and a Happy Hanukkah. We especially want to thank all of our Christian and Jewish friends who have been supporting us and East Turkestan. God bless you all. As you spend time with your family and friends during these holidays, we ask that you take a moment of your time to think about and pray for the millions of Uyghur and other Turkic people that are being held in Chinese concentration camps across East Turkestan. We ask that you pray for the liberation of East Turkestan, Hong Kong, Manchuria, South Mongolia, and Tibet from Chinese occupation and oppression. We ask that you also pray for the tens, if not hundreds of millions of faithful Buddhists, Christians, practitioners of Falun Gong, and Muslims that are being severely persecuted by the Chinese Communist regime. Have a Merry Christmas, Chag Hanukkah Sameach, and Happy Holidays. Thank you.